Welcome to the Midcoast Member Minutes. I'm Corey King. Midcoast Member Minutes is a video series of the Southern Midcoast Maine Chamber, so you can learn a little bit more about one of our members. Now, we're here at the iconic Maine Maritime Museum in Bath, which tells you that this profile is going to be about a Bath business. Let's check it out. All right, we're here at Burgess Technology Services with Tamara, Lilly, business support specialist, and what will we be learning today?
Today, we're going to learn steps to take if your computer won't start.
Awesome. All right, let's take a look.
You want your PC to boot up and greet you each day with sounds, lights, and displays. But sometimes, it does not. First, check that the power cord is properly inserted at both ends into the back of the computer or into the wall, power strip, or battery backup. If you have a laptop, be sure that the cord is also connected to the brick in the middle. If it's going through a power strip, be sure that it's powered on. If you do have lights and/or sounds, your issue may be with connection to the monitor. On a desktop, check the power connection as well as the connection from the monitor to the computer. If you have power but no display, try another monitor or external monitor for the laptop. If this doesn't work, it may be the video card. We'll open the machine to point out common culprits. If you do not have lights and sound, and you have confirmed your outlet is hot and your power connections are in place, the issue is frequently a bad power supply. For both video card and power supply issues, you'll want to call your local IT provider. If your machine boots but then shuts down, it may be overheating. This can be caused by dust and dirt in the machine, impeding the work of the cooling fan. A periodic dusting with canned air is always a good idea and something you can easily do on your own. No matter what your symptoms, don't panic. Frequently, the issue of not booting is something other than the hard drive, so a dead computer does not always mean lost data. That being said, hard drives are mechanical and can fail, so we always recommend backing up your data, preferably with a cloud solution, which has the benefits of security and duplication to ensure your data is safe.
Tamara, that was awesome. What's the best way for people to contact you at Burgess?
Well, we're here on Oak Grove Avenue in Bath. Monday through Friday, we give 24/7 service to our BizGuard clients. And you can reach us at our online home, btsmaine.com.
And on that website, you also have some blogs and a lot of great information.
We do. It's a treasure trove of tech tips, so meet us there.
Awesome. Hey, thank you so much. This was wonderful.
Thanks so much for coming.
All right. Thank you for joining us for the Midcoast Member Minutes. If you want to find out more about this member or any of our members, you can log on to the Chamber website at www.midcoastmaine.com.